At Dave Jones Inc., we highly recommend signing up on a preventive maintenance program. What that is, with all the equipment in today's homes, it ensures that your systems are operating properly and being maintained properly. Your HVAC system, we recommend at least twice a year. A furnace tune-up in the fall, right before the heating season, and a cooling AC tune-up right in the spring before cooling season starts for the summer. When we get to plumbing, sometimes it doesn't look like much, but it can also be a bit overwhelming, especially when we get over to your water heater over here. Water heater maintenance can be a bit tricky for most homeowners. So if you sign up on a plumbing preventive maintenance agreement, you can guarantee that that plumber is going to do it properly and be able to check your combustion processes, and then once he's completed, he can go around and clean all the aerators in your fixtures to make sure after you might do something here, you didn't plug all your fixtures. So once again, we always recommend having professionals at Dave Jones Inc. service your equipment.